Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I wish you are very fine, very well. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. So, my dear kids, I am Maria Mahmood, your teacher, Sector 13, and I welcome to you our Milestone Preparatory KG School's online class. Today, I will take your English class. So, my dear kids, before starting our class, it's our rhymes time. So, are you ready for doing rhymes with me? Yes? So, let's do. We want to recite the rhymes. My rhyme's name is Learn My ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Oh dear miss, when shall I learn my ABC? Very good, my dear kids. So let's do again another rhymes. We want to recite the rhymes. My rhyme's name is Red Bird, Blue Bird. Red bird, blue bird, come and dance. Red bird, blue bird, let's go to France. Red bird, blue bird, give me a chick. Chick, chick, chick. Pick, pick, pick. Chick, chick, chick. Pick, pick, pick. Very good. All done, my dear all students, and class for my all students. So, my dear kids, how many letters in our alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. And you know that there are two kinds of letters in our alphabet. Uppercase or capital letter, lowercase or small letter. And we have three types of letters in our alphabet. Short letters, tall letters, and hanging letters. And today we will learn how will we write Z. And Z is a short letter. Now we'll start our main class. Before starting our main class, we'll see our alphabet chart. So my dear all children, let's go and see our alphabet chart. Which is our first letter? A. A is our first letter. And A for apple. And A phonic sound is A. 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 A phonic sound is A. Our next letter is B. B phonic sound is B. B. Balloon. C. K. K. Cake. D. 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 Dinosaur. E. A. A. Egg. F. Fish. Our next letter is Z. Z for G. G. Giraffe. H. 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 Hat. I. I for ice cream. Z. Z for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for leaf. Very good. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. S. S for sun. T. 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 T for train. U. U for umbrella. V. V V for vase. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. 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 Z for Z. Z. Z for zebra. Today we will learn how will we write Z. And Z is a short letter. But before writing, it's our story time. So my dear all kids, I'm going to tell you a story of an animal who has lost his name. One day an animal was walking in the jungle, big jungle, and he tried to find out his name because he lost his name. So, my dear all kids, please everyone help to the animal for finding his name. So, my dear kids, suddenly, you know that suddenly one sound was heard. That animal ran towards the place. Sound is going on. And he listened. That sound was ja, zzz, ja, zzz, ja, zzz, ja. What is the letter of Z? Yes, it's the Z. Very good. That's moment, one by one, sound was heard. And that's moment, next sound was A, 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 A. And the animal was running on the sound A, A, A. What is the letter of A? E. Very good. And another sound was Ba, 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 Ba. What is the letter of the Ba? B. Very good. And next sound was Ra, Ra. Yes, And the last sound was A, 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 A. What is the letter of the sound? A. Very good. So, my dear all kids, now tell me, what is the name of this animal? Z, 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 Z. A, 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 E. Ba, 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 B. R, 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 R. A, 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 A. So, what is the animal? Yes, he find out his name, and that animal name was zebra. So, my dear kids, now you can understand that today our topic is Z. Write Z by yourself. And today we'll try write Z by ourselves. Okay, I will give instruction to all of you, and just you will do and you will follow my instruction and write Z in your copy. So, my dear kids, today I will try to write Z in our copy. So, my dear kids, please get ready for writing Z with your English copy, pencil, eraser and sharpener. At first, we will try to find out Z in our alphabet chart. So let's do. This is our alphabet chart. And which is our first alphabet? Yes, A. Next alphabet is, next letter is B. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. We'll find out our topic. So our topic is write Z by yourself, and you have to try to write Z in your copy. And get ready for writing Z with me. So my dear kids, now we have some shapes, and we will use some shapes for writing Z. This is circle, sleeping line, slash, right side half circle and left side half circle. Just we will use two shapes for writing Z. Look at the board, my dear kids. Now just we will write in the middle line. Just we will give a sleeping line and slash and another sleeping line. So our G is complete. So please do again with me. We'll give a sleeping line, then we'll give a slash, then we'll give a sleeping line. So our G is completed. Now do again sleeping line, slash and sleeping line. And G is a short letter, and G phonic sound is Z, 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 Z. So let's do again. Sleeping line, slash and sleeping line. Sleeping line, slash and sleeping line. So our GE is ready. Very good. So my dear kids, now I know that you can write Z in your copy, and please try write Z in your copy by yourself. Okay? And what is the phonic sound of Z? Z, Z, Z. Z for zebra. So my dear kids, let's try to many words for Z. So let's try. We'll try to make some words by Z. And Z phonic sound is Z. Z. So, all of you please try to make some words. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Very good. Z for zigzag, zucchini. 0. Z for zipper, zoo. So my dear kids, zipper, zucchini. Now we'll try to make many words by Z. Z. Z for zap, 0. Zombie, Zeus, zebra, jab. Very good, my dear kids. Very good. Now we'll know many words by Z. Tell me once again. Z. Z. Very good. So, my dear kids, now you will know how to write Z in your copy. You have to use sleeping line, slash and sleeping line in the middle line. So, our Z will be ready. So you have to practice in your home. And see you inshallah next class, next session. So I am Maria Mahmood, your teacher, and say bye bye. and do it goodbye song. So let's do with me. Goodbye song.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye.